Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Node-RED if you followed any of my tutorials over the last 4 years about installing extra nodes. The latest update will exclude the node modules from backup, and what that is, in the add-ons config Node-RED, a Home Assistant backup won't include this node modules folder. What's in here is all the configurations for the nodes that are installed, plus the nodes that you've installed yourself. So for example, to go to Node-RED, under the 3 dots there, Manage Palette, anything that you install here won't get backed up anymore. For example, the Amazon Echo add-on will break, as it will lose its configuration data. The way we have to do it now is if we go to Settings, Add-ons, Node-RED, we can see in the documentation, if we scroll down, we can find it. Really, all we have is this single line that says about installing packages. Most of us went to the official Node-RED documentation to add nodes to the palette, and here it says using the editor. As I say, this new quote-unquote update prevents us from using the editor anymore. So how do we fix it? Well, if we go back to the Node-RED add-on, in configuration, you can see here that I've added all the extra add-ons I use in my Node-RED setup. Now we can do it here, we can add it in here. Best way to do it though, I found, is to edit the YAML, and then under the MPN packages, make a list. Remember, each item in a list has to start with a dash of all the add-ons that you want Node-RED to use, and more importantly, get backed up. Of course, finding the new items to add to Node-RED is slightly more long-winded now. So for instance, if I wanted to add the Amazon device, and for example, the one I use is this one here, we can't copy it off this page, we have to click that. And if we look down here, we can see the MPN install example. So all you have to do is copy that out of there, go back to the Node-RED configuration, add a new line, add a minus, and paste it in. Now, obviously, I've already got this in here, so I won't add it in. And then go back into Node-RED. If you have manually installed extra nodes, they will get overwritten. So you don't really have to do much in Node-RED itself in terms of uninstalling. Well, I hope this video was helpful with your projects. Please do share it so others can find it as well. I upload videos whenever I can, so subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. That's it. Thanks for watching.
Okay, I love you. Bye-bye.